Welcome back. There are some myths about BDD that are floating around. Let us have a look. Myth number 1. Using Cucumber means you are doing BDD. But that is not true. Cucumber is just a collaboration tool that supports BDD. If you choose to do BDD and not automate specifications, you don't need Cucumber at all, and you will still be doing BDD. Myth number 2. Discovery workshops are not needed to do BDD. In fact, discovery workshops are the core of BDD. You cannot do BDD without it. Without doing effective discovery workshops, trying to formulate scenarios is a waste of time. Similarly, you cannot automate examples if you do not know the most important examples to automate. Myth number 3. The business should write the gherkin. Not always. The business don't really have to write the gherkin. When a team is new to BDD and the language and style is still not standardized, it makes sense to have all the stakeholders, the product owner or business analyst, developer and tester, to collaborate and write gherkin. That is absolutely fine. Once the team gets matured, that is, once all the team members understand the domain language and the gherkin style, then developer and tester can pair up to write the gherkin and get it reviewed from the product owner or business analyst. And this is also absolutely fine. Myth number 4. Converting manual tests to scenarios means you are doing BDD. And this is the most important one. I see the QA from many teams. They just convert the manual tests to scenarios and then they assume that they are doing BDD. But this is not BDD. You are just converting your manual tests to automated scripts that can also be automated using tools like TestNG or JUnit. In this case, you may not really need Cucumber. In fact, inefficient use of Cucumber may result in unwanted layers being added to your automation suite. This may also become a maintenance headache because now you have 2 additional layers of features and step definitions to manage, apart from your underlying automation layers. Additionally, you won't have a single source of truth, and the only person interested in your scenarios will be you. Myth number 5. You can automate scenarios after the code is implemented. Again, this is the important one because most of the team automate scenarios only after the code is implemented, only after the feature is implemented, only after the user story is completed. That's not BDD. In BDD, automated tests should drive the development and not vice versa. Many teams argue that we cannot automate early because the product is unstable. But this is because you are not following BDD in the right way. You need to do it efficiently. Cucumber may not serve better in such situations either. You can probably use it as a test automation tool, but not a collaboration tool. After all, Cucumber is made for BDD. Okay, so that's about the top 5 myths that are being floating around about BDD that can take teams entirely in a different direction. Okay, so I got this lecture created so that all of us are clear about BDD and the usage of Cucumber. Thank you for watching this lecture.